after the yesterday's log, the work that I have put in resulted in some positive outcomes. First of all, we implemented logic for pushing the bullet. And that is that I was trying to handle this with physics in avian, that we apply some kind of force to the bullet so that bullet moves on basis of this external force applied. And earlier what was happening was we were using the transform of the bullet. So we found out the direction, the angle, and then we were simply doing transform dot translation dot x, and in that direction we were increasing the value of x and y on basis of the direction vector that we received. We calculated. Now after this, now how this is happening is we were applying force, external force. Applying external force was resulting in acceleration. So when the bullet is released, it is slow, and over time it receives this force and accelerates. So over time its velocity increases. That is not what we want. So we replace the logic for force with impulse. So instead of applying external force, what we are now doing is we are applying external impulse. Now with this logic, an impulse is being provided to the bullet right after it is fired, and with this impulse it is moving in a direction at a particular angle, where the position of my crosshair is in the situation, in the moment. So the position of my crosshair minus position of my turret, this is going to give me a vector. Now I find the angle with respect to x-axis, what is the angle at which it is being fired, so it moves in that direction. Now after this, after the implementation of logic for firing this bullet with impulse logic, there were a few more things that I have added. One of them is I replaced the asset turret, as we discussed yesterday, that I was working on this new asset for turret, and we wanted to make it a little alien tech, more shiny, emitting radiations, emissive and sleeker. So yes, I have something that is there. And after that I also changed the basic sprite of the bullet. So now the bullet is something similar. It is alien tech like, and it is giving a radiation effect, and it is being rotated in the direction in which it is being fired. So 3 updates. First would be the logic of the physics logic for bullet. Second is new asset, new turret, and new bullet. So new turret and new bullet are 2 new assets. 3 updates done for the day.